people on your left who are up there asking.
We are balancing both sides so that everyone does not feel left out. We could go to Genoa.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency. I'm Ji Li from Xinhua News Agency, the China state media. So my question related with China. Since Rwanda and China established diplomatic relations, the bilateral relationship has been remarkable development, with cooperation deepening in various fields. So how do you evaluate the achievements of the bilateral relationship over the past 50 years? And in which areas do you expect further cooperation between the two countries in the future? Thank you.
We have had a good relationship with China, and we want to keep it so. We have not had actually problems with China at all. That doesn't mean we agree on everything. Sometimes we disagree or we agree, but when you disagree and there is a channel of communication to each side, it's understanding or grievances, if it amounts to that, it always is a good relationship. And we have a good relationship with many other countries, whether in Asia or the West. And it is a principled relationship we always insist on. We have had, of course, relationships where some people want to be overbearing and they're telling you, you must do this, you have to do this, you shouldn't do this. And we have been in a very good position and have learned through experience. We politely but firmly tell people that we also have ideas about what we want and how we want the relationship to be and what we want in that relationship. And some we have agreed and it has caused problems, others it doesn't cause problems. Even with those who don't understand and it causes problems, we are happy to go along and even do the same next time. On this one, so far, we are firm about what our country wants, what we are doing, and we happily tell anybody who thinks they can come riding over us to tell them that they've made a mistake.
Al Jazeera. It's coming to you.
Laif Mushtaq from Al Jazeera. Back to the same report you mentioned before, Your Excellency, about issued by United Nations, was covering two things: the mining and the military situation in east of Congo. And 4 days later, there is a statement from State Department of United States was focusing on the mining. In your point of view, Your Excellency, why both the report and the statement, they just overlook the political situation? Thank you.
Well, that is really a question I can't answer, even 100. So why they would be talking about that and not about themselves, I don't even understand. So that one, how can I answer that? Then you have a group of experts, you said, talking about what? mining and military situation. Military situation, the way they talk about it, they talk about maybe 15% of the problem. Even then, they don't put facts or evidence to it. This is why I think I explained it. If you are talking about RDF, Rwandan Defense Forces, and M23, and you are silent, I think I answered that, and you are silent about FDLR, and you are silent about the government of Congo expelling its own people from the country to go somewhere else, using these genociders who are here, who killed our people. How can I answer that honestly? I mean, you should be able to make that judgment yourself, or anybody here who sees that should be able to make the judgment. It's not up to me to answer that. I don't know how to answer it. I don't know how to answer that somebody is associated with the problem and is saying it the way they want people to see it or to understand it. I have no answer for that. I can't explain it. They should be the ones to explain it. In fact, I wish one day you could meet those people and ask them. I say, why you? Is it because this is not happening? Or is it because it is not there? That you are silent about it, that you are talking about something else that either is less important or actually is not happening, or if it was happening, it is happening for that reason you are silent about. Then they are the ones who can explain it better than myself. But we have told all of them, maybe you have also seen how we have responded to some of it. But we have told them that by that they have only become part of the problem, and they are not anywhere near being part of the solution. But I thought we must be having or looking at finding ways to have a solution to that problem. But if you handle it like that, you are not finding a solution. Rather, you are adding to the problem or even complicating it even more.
Thank you, sir. We'll take the last question now from RBA.
Two more questions. If we could do quickly, we could have another two.
Another two after RBA? Okay.
Murakoze cyane, nitwa Jean Claude Mutuyezu, umunyamakuru wa RBA. Mu minsi mumaze mwiyamamaza, mwakunze kugaruka ku mvugo ivuga yuko iyi politiki yo kwiyamamaza n'ubundi yihariye cyane ko FPR yagiye ifatanya n'indi mitwe ya politiki. Munagaruka cyane ku bijyanye n'ubudasa bw'Abanyarwanda. Ese ubu budasa twavuga ko buva kuki? Nanone twibaza ngo muri manda ikurikiyeho ni ibiki muteganyiriza Abanyarwanda bijyanye n'imvugo mukunze kugarukaho cyane y'ubudasa? Murakoze cyane.
Ubudasa buturuka ku mateka. Ni amateka murabivuga buri munsi. Ni amateka biturukaho u Rwanda aho ruvuye, byarubayeho, hanyuma uko abantu babisohokamo. U Rwanda rw'amateka y'amacakubiri n'u Rwanda rushyira Abanyarwanda bose hamwe n'ibintu bitandukanye. Muri uko gushyira abantu bose hamwe rero, bahera ku mateka mabi bakareba icyo u Rwanda rushyira abantu hamwe rukora kugira ngo Abanyarwanda bose bibone mu bikorwa no mu bibageraho. Ibyo ubwabyo bisobanura bwa budasa. Ni nayo mpamvu ndetse aho twagiye tujya kwiyamamaza hose abantu baza ari benshi inshuro 10 zirenga n'ikibazo ari benshi bavuga ubona bitabiriye iki kintu kimwe, ugomba gutekereza nyine ukavuga uti aba bantu bagomba kuba bumva neza aho tuvuye, bumva neza aho dushaka kujya. Icyo batora rero niyo nzira ibaganisha aho bashaka kujya, kandi bose iyo bimeze bityo ibindi byose ni ubusa. Umuntu uhagarara ikantarange akavuga ati hari umuntu babujije kuvuga biki, hari ibihumbi magana angahe byahoze biri aho bivuga, ibyo ni ugukora ubusa, uranabyihorera ugakomeza. So abanyarwanda rero icyo bashaka barakizi, bo baracyerekana ari mu bikorwa, ntabwo ari n'ibikorwa by'amatora gusa, ahubwo biriya bikorwa by'amajyambere bigenda bibaho bikorwa n'abanyarwanda. Abanyarwanda bitabira buri kintu cyose, iyo bahaye uburyo barabukoresha bakagera ku byo bifuza. Abo ngabo rero iyo bakubwiye icyo bashaka nicyo ukora, kuko ni ibyabo. So ntabwo numva rero mu manda yindi ikindi se cyaba iki kitari ugukomeza ibyo dusanzwe dukora nyine, ibyo by'iterambere, by'umutekano n'imiyoborere myiza. Demokarasi ga n'ikivuze, demokarasi bivuze imiyoborere myiza, guhitamo abantu bakagera ku cyo bashaka, nicyo tugerageza gushyira ku murongo. Nibyo bikomeza, nta bindi bishya byaturutse ahandi dushaka gukora.
Scovia.
Murakoze nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, nitwa Scovia Mutesi, ndi umwanditsi w'ikinyamakuru Mama urwa Gasabo. Bigaragara ko abanyarwanda bamaze guhamagarirwa kujya mu bigo by'imari mu kwizigama, ariko hashize igihe Minisiteri y'Ubucuruzi n'Inganda ndetse na Minisiteri y'Imari bavuga ko hari uburyo abantu babaga muri banki populaire bafitemo imigabane iza kugurishwa ikigo cy'imari aho kugira ngo ikomeze iby'abaturage, imigabane yabo ntibayihabwa. Imyaka irenga 2 babaza iki kibazo batarabona igisubizo. Bifuzaga niba hari icyo mushobora kubafasha bakabona imigabane yabo cyangwa bakajya muri iyo banki y'ubucuruzi bagurishirijwe. Murakoze nyakubahwa.
Yes, icyo nagusezeranya cyo reka tuve muri ibi ngibi, tubanze twicare mu ntebe neza, nibirangira byose byarangiye tugiye usubiye muri leta, icyo tuzagiheraho. Ntabwo numva aho gikomerera kuba kitarangira, icyo rwose kizaba mu bya mbere bizakemurwa. Kabineti ya mbere nuyibona uzanyibutsa, uzanyoherereza SMS mbwira uti hari cya kibazo, tuzagiheraho mu byo tuzaheraho.
Thank you, Your Excellency. We may conclude here. I would like to thank you for your time and wish you a successful voting day on Monday. Thank you.
I hope there are not too many questions going back without being asked. So
I think you covered all the questions.
See you next time.
Thank you.
Yes,